Oh, se bañó. Okay, if you say so. You know, I just turned the camera on. Whoa, whoa, I saw it come off. I was like, yo!
Oh, thank you! Well, that didn't last long. No, oh my god, you didn't put the bolt on it. I didn't.
I saw it in the air come off. I was like, no! Did you see that? Oh. I was looking at you, I was like, stop, stop! And you're like, what?
Oh, I saw it, I told you. This guy needs to put the bolt on.
Well. It's, stanced.
Yeah, stanced.
What do you call that? Hella flush? It's hella flushed. Alright, we're going for a sunset drive. I'm completely disappointed in the 360 camera. I might not use it for moto vlogging anymore. Might just use it for regular vlogging. We had an issue, bro. I had a nasty crash. Viral shit, bro. Sawa got it, thankfully, so we're good. But I definitely ate shit, and it was, I could have had it on camera. But the 360 camera on single lens mode decided to film my face, so here it is. Yes, I sound like a moron. Okay, I can't see shit, dude. Wait for Sawa. Like, some crazy video of me, like, hauling ass or doing something crazy. I don't even know which way they went this way. I can see the smoke. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, there she is. Got a lot of things to worry about. I got worried about her, making sure she doesn't go down. I'm making sure I don't go down. I went into a damn tree. Not paying attention. Like, this is a hazard right here. Someone's gonna. What the hell happened here? The lightning bolt? That was probably lightning. Okay, look down. She doesn't know the headbutting technique. Oh, this section sucks. Oh, my knees. I'm all kinds of hurt, dude. I'm not even gonna lie. I know I made her stall out. Quietly now out here in the middle of nowhere. Don't know where my friends are. I think Sawa's got it. Welcome to Florida. Look at this. Go help her. I'm just glad I got big plastic metal boots on. Oh, yeah, you got it. Nice. I don't know, just gonna go for it. I hope so. Oh, there's nothing too deep. Just keep going, I guess. There's nothing we can do. Let's go back to the main road. Remember, I had that issue here when I was with the Grom too. The Grom has a little bit better ground clearance than this, actually. Despite this being a dirt bike and that not being a dirt bike, it has much better ground clearance. It was still scary though, like I could still bash the bottom of the bike. I feel like I got spider webs all over my nose. Your boot got wet. I was looking down the road. I was like, damn, I think something on the road. But
I'm taking pictures of flowers and stuff.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Yeah. No, you're all good.
All right, be easy, man.
Yeah, do it tonight.
Yeah, I gotta get back. We're gonna get this dark. Right. Don't worry, it's not gonna fall. More. Pull. Good job. Very nice gentleman, just enjoying his Sunday afternoon out here in the sunset, dude. I gotta tell you, man, that guy's living it. Sir, if you ever see this, just know that, man, I appreciate what you're doing. Just living life. Without a care in the world, man. Sometimes that's how you gotta live. I know sometimes it's kind of a broke way of thinking, but sometimes for mental health, I think people don't do that enough. You know, like people. I know nowadays everyone's like, yeah, mental health. I got mental health issues. Well, I mean, you don't relax. If you do what he's doing, you wouldn't have problems, man. He's chilling. You know, I think it's essential for people to kick back. Up to me, I want to see. Curious to know. I think she's pushing herself to go a little faster, and I'm liking that. She's pushing herself. Whoa, man. This enjoying sunset and getting the wind. I was like, oh god, this feels so good. What, the easy side? Yeah, I know. You're tired, right? Yeah, I figured. Jesus Christ. This thing sucks. You hear my foot? Who went down? Bro, what?
ATM went fucking submarine swimming.
I went on swimming? Ah, I wasn't here. You alright? You were swimming? That's why I didn't go in, because I wouldn't survive, bro.
I don't know why they're going through here. I fucking hate this shit.
You hate the water? I don't like the water either. Alright. He's cracking up. Oh, se bañó. One last ride. Let's get one last ride in. Por ahí no llega, yo creo, tienes que echar para atrás. Whoa. Okay, if you say so. Well, that worked. Good job. Squared up with the.
We still got sunlight, bro. I'm down the ride.
We were over there.
Yeah,
We took the easy path.
there's nothing over there.
There is nothing unless you just want to haul ass. That's about the only thing you can do. I think you lost. I think you lost, Mr. SRT.
I don't think the bike started after it sunk.
I don't think it might not start again today.
That shit was complete.
I thought he was going over the handlebars, bro.
What happened? Let me get a description.
He fell, bro. He fell and the bike just sunk underwater.
He hit the water, went woof, and almost flipped over the handlebars, and then
Tumbled over.
landed back to his feet, and then just tipped over into the puddle.
The only thing we saw were the handlebars out of the water.
What was it that he hit? Like a rock or log or something?
Fucking deep hole.
The puddle? There you go, the ocean.
The ocean. What did he hit? The ocean. Track day one day. Actually go to Miami Motocross.
Fucking send it.
Fucking piece of cake with that bike.
I was gonna do everything.
What do you want to do? Ride it? Hold it. Let me get on. I'm gonna get a running start. Here we go. Oh shit, 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 shit.
Keep going. Oh my God, let's go.
Okay, this is the thing. Sorry, I'm not talking. The thing is, I'm very focused right now. I'm not busting my fucking ass because I have to lean completely to the right. Well, he pushes from the left because the bike is steering to the left because he's pushing. Oh, it's so scary. Oh god. Oh, okay, I got it. My arm's so tired. Yo, this guy's really good. Fernando, you're the fucking man, bro. Oh boy. Nope.
You waited too long. You slowed down too much. When you keep jumping, you gotta ease it.
I'm gassed. I'm tired. Alright. You wanna switch? Alright, you can start packing up.